Hello and welcome to HoverX. I am Shubham. So today we are going to see how we can create this infinite rotating animation as well as changing of these colors using CSS. So let's get started. If you are new to these channels, consider subscribing and also like this video for watching more front-end development videos. So now let's get started by writing some HTML and CSS. So I have one background image already in my repository. So you can see this is the background image. So first I'm going to set the background image to the body. So as you can see, the background image is there, but it's not properly in position. So I'm going to set background size as cover so that it covers the entire container. Now let's give some height to the body. So giving height of 100 viewport height fills the entire viewport of the body. Now let's horizontally center the image. For that we can use the background position X. Now this will center the image towards the center. Now you can see that there is scroll bar coming. For removing it, we can do the margin 0 pixel. For removing the default margin set by the browser, this will remove the scroll bar. Now let's import the image which we are going to animate. So I have this image of Zodic PNG. Let's import it using the image tag. So I'm giving a width of 450 pixel, so it doesn't look too large. Now let's apply some flexbox to horizontally and vertically align the image to the body. Now since the image is in the center, now let's animate it. I had added a class of animate. So I'm going to give the animation name as rotate. And now let's write the keyframe. So we will only need the from and we will not require the to in this case. Now for rotating it, we can use the transform property of the CSS, and then there is rotate. Now since we want to rotate it completely, so we can write 360 degree. As you can see, nothing is happening since I have to write some other animation properties. So first I will add the animation duration to set the speed of the rotation. As you can see, it started to rotate, but there are some issues. As you can see, there is scroll bar coming in. So if I increase the size of the screen, the scroll bar doesn't appear. But as you can see, there is the issue that it just stops. So for fixing it, we have another property, animation iteration count. We can set it to infinite. As you can see, it is infinitely keep rotating, but again the speed is just becoming slow, and then again it is fast. For that we have another attribute which is animation timing function. So we can set it to linear so that it rotate in a constant speed. As you can see, it is now rotating perfectly. Now we also want to change the color, so it's constantly pink. What we can do is apply another CSS property in the keyframe, which is filter, and we can set the hue rotate. So it will simply rotate along with the colors 360 degree, all the colors, along with the speed of whatever we have set, like duration 20 seconds. So now as you can see, it changes color to blue, green, and it will completely rotate and come back to original color. Now as you can see, there is a lot of repetition here, so there is a way we can write this all in one line. So let's see how we can do. First I'm going to comment it out. So we have just one animation property, and one by one we can start giving the properties So first one will be the rotate, then the speed, and then the timing function, and after iteration count. This is how you can easily add rotate animation as well as hue in the CSS. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to HoverX for watching more front-end development videos. Thanks for watching.